Okay, guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto projects and much, much more. So, we are rocking out with everybody today. We're dropping across multiple socials so that way we get everybody rocking with us. Alright, and we are going to do it. What's good, family? Let's go. Join today's crypto feed. And we are going to talk about the project shoutouts and mentions. Let's go. Make sure to tag the project inside the chat. Peak interest and growth. Okay. And then let's see. Yo, 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 crew. Let's go. Join today's crypto targets, prices, charts, and news. Flood the comments with the projects hashtags. Also, there will be a giveaway on the live stream. Okay, and then let me broadcast this to this other. What's good, crew? Come join me today on our live stream. We are going to talk about crypto prices, charts, targets, and much, much more. We'll drop our trading link and VIP chat for trading. If you're here from projects, make sure to tag and comment your favorite projects, and we will shout them out and host and represent them. We love the gems, and I recently partnered up and teamed up with a few good gems. So this month, for J Strategies community, we're going to make some big gains. We'll be live every day. I'll be utilizing multiple socials. And I got a lot of big news incoming too. So stay tuned. And when you see me in chats and I say signal by now, that's the opportunity for the people that are actually live and active inside those chats. Because we drop content at certain times of day. Strategically. Alright. Then I'm going to be doing AMAs and project videos. And then from the call channel, any projects that I get for hosting, their payment will make an LP pair and add liquidity. So tokens and meme tokens that take off, and we have LP pairs, people buy our token to swap for it, and it's also beneficial. More LP pairs, more dexes. So right now, a few of the projects that I work with only have liquidity on PancakeSwap. We'll be going over some strategies and documenting the process along the way. So that way project builders and teams will understand the steps needed to pre-launch, launch, and have a successful project. Alright. Okay. Let's go, guys. Drop those comments. Hit them up on X raids. we're going to swing by and we're going to do some live rating today, screen share. And at the end of the live rating session, we're going to reward our top 3 raters of that session. Okay, so I got multiple Telegram communities that will be in today. I'll shout them out. Make sure you guys swing by them and stop by. Tag me and say, hey, hey Jay, and then Jay's strategy sent me. We love to be treated with the utmost respect. Okay? Alright, so a lot of big things coming. Alright? Got a lot of different teams, projects. Okay, a lot of things that are happening behind the scenes, which I can show you. Sneak peeks, different chains, blockchains, and much more. So I want to see the success in the projects, and I also have some other things happening. So what I'll do too is in comments and descriptions, and when we do the tweet, I'll drop those for shout outs, so that way we can rock out and we can make those gains together. Alright, so when I do my shout out for the project, alright, I'll mark the time, and then we're going to do buyers within an hour time period, and then we'll put addresses on a wheel and spin it for prizes. We'll have top rater prizes, raffle prizes, and a bunch of other things that we can do to strengthen community. Okay, so you guys are rocking and you guys are here. So we are talking and pushing for today's crypto markets. So I just want to actually get... Okay, let me go here. Alright, and then I want to take my links. I just want to push and raid through a couple, so that way we can get a few more people in here. I want to have, so that way we could do a giveaway. So invite some people into the chat, so that way we can get up to a nice number, and then we can do a giveaway. Okay. Alright, I just want to grab the links, and then we're gonna go over the prices, and we'll hop into the charts. For everybody tuning in. Okay, let me go here. Okay. Join me today for our live crypto feed with some gems you're not going to want to miss. This exclusive info. Become a profitable trader. Join us live now. Alright. Okay, bada boom, bada bang. I just want to grab that, so that way we are... rocking it. Yeah, don't forget to swing by. We're getting busy on this Twitter. We're gonna be dropping a lot of info, interactions, and much more. Right? Okay. And when you tune in the chat box, drop your meme ticker symbols. And then people that tune in, okay, when we tune in each day, we'll get to know our OGs. So at the end of our first month, we see people active, and then we'll do leaderboards and rewarders, and then also building, YouTube moderators through pages. We're gonna do some AMAs. I got one today that I'm gonna be doing, and then we'll do a show. We're gonna schedule a show with hosts, different topics, and much, much more. All right, and then we're gonna do a trading challenge for people. We'll do a trading challenge for people that don't have a lot of funds. So we'll start off with $5. All right, in the VIP lounge. For you guys, and then turn 5 into 20, 20 into 100, etc. Because that's always beneficial, for us on that regard. Okay. All right, and then right now, okay, so we are on CMC. I'm just gonna give it a second while I drop some links out over here. So we have our peeps joining in, and then let's hit it. Let's get it. we wanna start building up our audiences so that we can give back and we can teach you guys how to earn. There's a lot of people out there less fortunate that don't have these challenges. Oh, turn 100 into 1,000, all that kind of stuff. 1,000 into 1,000,000. You want to be able to turn $5 into 20, 20 into 100, and there's multiple different strategies that we can go over. All right, and then we got this. We got dropping. Okay. And then let me go. Alright. Okay, and then let me go up here. So that way I can get it. Okay. So we got the chat. Okay. Yep. I just wanted to put it out to a few chats so that way we can get a couple people in and rock out, and we can talk about a few things. So we got CMC up on the screen. Hey guys, come join the live stream talking about crypto projects, news, and more. Drop your comments in the comment section for your top meme coins, and we'll take a look at them, research, and rock out. We get a good viewing, we'll do giveaways also on live streams. Okay. Royal. Come join us on our live stream talking about crypto targets, prices, projects, and much, much more. Giveaways, whitelists, and how to make that passive income. Come join us now. Okay, and massive shout outs from that, right? To okay, for post it. Okay. Alright. And then we get this. I got the new link tree set up so that way you guys can get all the links that we have on the link tree. Alright. And building up the channel so we can utilize, and then rocking out, doing pretty cool with you guys. We're back on the channel, and picking up good watch hour times when people watching the project videos. All right, which is definitely beneficial. And then we're gonna start growing subs. A lot of views, favorites, and some good kicks here, right? Okay, and we also have our you can go ahead and check out some of my latest videos. Okay, crypto news, baby whiff, right? Okay, and yep, with baby Trump, no fear stos, baby bonk. So you got to go ahead and swing by and check out those videos. All right, which is awesome, and we're gonna dive into everything. Okay, so that way I have it. Okay, so yep, and then concurrence, and we're growing. We're going and growing together, so that's pretty cool, right? And then connection, stream health, analytics. Okay, so yeah, we're deep into it. We're on CMC over here. We're pushing. Okay. And let me go ahead and go past this. Okay, yep. And we're baby with. Okay, so we're on CMC. We dropped across the board, so that way we want to rock out and build up the love of the community. All right. So today, all right, I'm utilizing CMC to look at these crypto prices. Okay, let's get right to it. Today's overall cryptocurrency market cap is at 2.7 trillion. 24-hour volume is at 157.6 billion. This volume has been insane. All right, remember a couple months ago we were talking about it, and look how it's been increasing dominance. 52% for Bitcoin, 17.5 for ETH. ETH gas 73 GUI, kind of high. Fear and greed index is now at 90, so we are coming into the greed. All right, pushing towards the upside. You got most visited, top, trending. Pepe trending again. Okay, you can see up there moving. I actually been getting more into these different meme coins, so we're gonna do a video about the top meme coins that we're gonna have in our meme coin portfolio. Right, Bitcoin, $72,942, up 1.9%. Okay, and that's 8% on the week. Right, we have $1.4 trillion market cap. $50 billion in volume. Insane. Ethereum, $3,994. 0.2 upside today. $479 billion market cap. 22 bill in volume. USDT now is 102 billion. Okay? Which is crazy. Alright? So that's something that, we pay attention to the printing of the stable coins. Binance BNB 593. Look at that, up 9.5%. Okay, in 24 hours. All right, 39% past week. Right, 88.7 bill market cap, 5 bill in volume. So Binance BNB is where the volume is at. Right, Solana $160, 8% to the upside today. Okay. And 22% for the week, right? 71.3 bill market cap and 5 bill. So look at that, 5 bill in volume from BSC and Solana. So BSC is starting to see that volume, picking back up again. So that's really, really good for coins because, as you know, we work with a lot of projects there. XRP, 68 cents. So 0.5 downside, right? 11% for the week upside, okay? 37.4 bill market cap, 2.4 bill volume, which is good. USDC coin now has a $30 billion market cap, so you can see diversification of your stable coins. All right, utilizing your top stable coins. All right, always be diversified. Cardano, 75 cents, 0.9 upside. All right, 26.6 bill, and then 7.99 mil volume. Dogecoin, your number 9 spot, 16 cents, 0.7 upside, 24.1 bill market cap. So that's pouring into the altcoins, which would be our Doge coin. Now we have Avalanche, okay, which is now in number 10. It pulled above Shiba. AVAX, $53.91, 4% to the downside today. So that's the chart that we want to look at. 31% for the whole week, right? $20.3 billion market cap, right? So that is something that we are paying attention to, you know, inside and overall for the markets, okay? So, where are we? Okay, yep. Shiba Inu now at number 11 spot. Look, 18.7 bill market cap. I was watching that market cap increase, and I could see the Doge Shiba altcoins. So when we hit and the altcoins go up, it's good to be diversified and be into altcoins. So we're going to do a video about what meme coin altcoins and you know, our thoughts on that, right? Toncoin, look at that. Number 12 spot. $4.41, 17% today. All right, 15 bill market cap, 63 on the week. So we're seeing some crazy increases. Polygon Matic, 12 bill market cap. I got a feeling that we're going to see some moves from them. Bitcoin Cash always surprises us. All right, and you know, we're coming down to different things. Filecoin, I've been seeing that they want to build memes on that. So this is something that you know, we'll look out for, because you know some of the first memes that come on blockchains are the ones that pump and the ones that push, okay? So it's definitely something that's beneficial, okay? Shout out to the projects that we're rocking, okay? You can see Nos Furiatis, okay? Baby Wick, join us on Karma Calls on our call channel to rock out, right? Yeah. Don't forget to hit that like, okay? Don't forget to sub and hit that bell, because you'll be getting more information just like this. Inside the video description, too, is a link how to sign up to Femex and take these trades with these targets, all right? So that way you guys can trade with me and we can do live sessions, okay? I would love to do that. Bitcoin charts. Let's go ahead and show you what's happening overall on Bitcoin. I'm on the 1 hour chart for Bitcoin USDT. You can see that we're in the New York session, okay? You can see this 50 EMA. All right. We ended up hitting the 50 EMA and we pulled up towards the upside. The top high for that, okay, is 73,675, okay? So it's at 72,954. So that's where we had a swing in Europe Brinks, and then we pulled back a bit in New York, and we're above the daily open. All right, 50 EMA is at 71,960. Okay, 200 EMA is at 68.9. So we'll say 69, and its psychological high is 69,690. All right. So, you know, we can continue seeing, you know, how high we can hit, because obviously that was the high that we hit. All right. And then we usually retrace from vector candles. So at some point, I'm thinking we could come back to the point of that $70,500 range, which I'm paying attention to. Let's go to longer term 4 hour. Higher lows all the way. Okay. See, higher low. Okay. And multiple times he touched the 50, almost touched the 50, almost touched the 50. So those were opportunity points on the longer term time frame, right? Sydney above that daily open, okay, and then the M4 pivot zone at 74,435. So if we do break past that high, we'll be hitting those pivot areas. Now a full-on breakout is hitting 76,570. Okay, which what we're watching. Now on the daily, let me show you guys this. Okay, so the RSI, okay, ended up coming up, but it's actually slowing down. So we have RSI, okay, volume coming down, but price still going up, right? 50 EMA on the daily is at 56,340, all right? But as you can see, that yellow line still turned up, which is the 5, all right? But at some point, we are going to need to have the retrace to continuation, all right? Because remember, rise, retrace, continuation, all right? So those are the different patterns that we're looking out for, okay? Now, on the MACD, you can see that we're well into overbought. Okay, we haven't been, actually we're higher than October overbought. So that was actually a lot of, volume. So that's why we're still up there. All right. Oh, yeah, what's good? Shout out. All right, whitelist, yes, baby whiff. Okay, so get with me on Telegram. Tag me in the chat. Okay. And say, yo, it's me from YouTube. And I'll get with you in the DMs. So don't forget to do that. And then I'll get with you, man. All right. So definitely beneficial. Mad love for you guys stopping by. always love it, right? Always love it. All right. So yeah, straight on the daily now. Okay. We can see on those previous highs and how it acted. All right. The only situation that we had these certain pullbacks, okay, is because of the market conditions. We are in a totally different market now with the ETFs. We don't have a lot of, crime syndicates utilizing all that stuff. It's the whole marketing landscape is there. Yep, I got your. Yep, I see you. Yep, I will DM you if I can. I think I can DM. Yeah. Okay, so I DM'd you, and then we'll talk when we get out of the video. I got a bunch of other people that I gotta talk to, and we will go. We'll get you hooked up. Okay. All right, and then I got everybody else here implementing. Okay, so yeah, we have a lot of really cool stuff coming and stuff happening. All right, Ethereum, okay? Ethereum on the daily, you can see that we hit that 4K range. We are overextended. That's why I'm just going to show you the 1 hour time frames, because the dailies are overheated pretty seriously. Okay, so you can see how we pulled back to that daily open. Psychological high is 39.50. So that would be something that I would expect us to touch, because we're coming down to that 39.50. Well, it looks like we're actually getting into those areas. 200 EMA is at 38.70. Okay, so you pay attention to the psychological areas, and you can see every time we come down and touch the 200, we pump. So those are always my buy areas. So I look on the 30-minute, 1 hour charts, and when I see these, this is when I buy. I know for triggers, for buying in long term or starting a trade, long trade, and vice versa for shorts. Okay. All right, Binance. Look at this, screaming towards the upside. It's starting to cool off, but what you can see here is New York session as it's pushing up towards this Brinks area right here at 600. Now, I'm gonna tell you something here. Ready? Let me go to daily. Okay. Alright. Let me go back here. Alright. So 600 is right here at that previous point of trading. And right there. So we're going to pop that 600. And we are going to actually see 620. Okay. And then 660. So those are targets that I'm looking that BNB is going to hit, right? Because if I take a look here, we're going to end up seeing a little bit of a cool off, all right? And then we'll probably end up, seeing a next parabolic move. Now you can see the 4 hour chart did cross back over, and now it's continuing more to the upside. So this has got me thinking, okay, what's going to happen here, right? All right. Now gold. Gold, as you know, broke all-time high. Yeah, okay, it had a little bit of sell-off today. People getting back into the market. S&P is pulled back a little bit today. S&P is 0 point thing, so 0.6 points to the downside, right? U.S. 10-year bonds actually went up a bit, all right? And that's what we were taking a look at. USDT dominance is falling, okay? The dollar index DXY is actually down to 102, so it came down a bit, so that's good for crypto, all right? Now, Solano at 161, you see on the daily, so we're overextended from that. When I start seeing that cool off, I know we're going to get some sideways trading before any other kind of parabolic moves. Now, as you can see, we're above that 142 resistance point. Then we had another resistance, 158. And then the next thing that's really going to be acting for us is we can see straight to 205 on parabolic moves towards the upside, which actually can happen, right? Shiba Inu saw that massive pump. Now it's on a cool down. As you can see, it had this hump and it's starting to cool down. I want to see the MACD cool down, okay? And I want to see the moving averages come towards price. You see this 200 EMA right here, okay? The white line, I want to see it cross over the 800 EMA, all right? For to be bullish, you can see that we are in a downplay movement here. So anything can happen within that period. The vector candle, you remember, it's to here. So even if we did see a scenario coming back to here for that, rise, retrace, and continuation. So remember, rise, retrace, continuation to the upside. Just like you're taught, in trading. Let me just go down to 4 hour on Shiba. All right, riding right at that 50 EMA right there. Okay, and we're crossed over, and then go down to the shorter term, 1 hour. All right, yep, some sell-off towards the downside. And let's see, are we below that area? Okay, Dogecoin, okay, at 16 cents. You can see on the 1 hour, it's trading between the 50 and the 200 tight. All right, right at the daily open. I'm going to go right over to the daily chart for you guys so you guys can see this, right? All right, daily chart, okay, you can see that wicks, like we said, you see how the wick down to this point, and you can see the yellow line starting to turn down. If we see that cross, that's going to be something that we pay attention to, but you see the 50 EMAs crossing over the 800, all right, so that's bullish, all right. You'll start to see the 50 come up, and at some point, okay, the price touches the moving averages, okay, so that's something that we pay attention to. Let's go down to a real immediate short term for Doge so we can actually see what's happening. Okay, so it's in the trading session. It's below the 50 on the 30 inside New York, and it is at the daily open. XRP, 68 cents, okay, and this is on a shorter term, trading tightly in between. We actually need to get up to that 50 EMA, 68, for us to be able to see, some of that happening there, right? Bitcoin Cash, Matic, and all that. All right, we just want to, talk about that. Don't forget to swing over, follow us on the socials, rock out, all right, because we always drop some of the, greatest information, all this different projects. I got a lot of stuff happening, a lot of things coming out that are going to be rocking. You can check out my link tree, all right? You can get all my information and links over there. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the video because you know that we're rocking out, okay? And then I was just looking at some of these the projects that we were talking about, and then we can actually see a really cool comeback on this one here. So they got some plans in motion for that, which is awesome. Crypto news, there's some crazy news out there, but I basically wanted you guys to be able to see what's happening in the market. All right, mad love and respect. You were chilling with J Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto projects, news, and much, much more.